Hello everyone, today I'm going to present BrainIcoConv Explainable Brain Cortical Surface Analysis for Autism Spectrum Disorder Classification. I am Juan Carlos Prieto and this work will be presented by Hugo Rodriguez. We are from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. Introduction. We present our method for shape analysis. Our method consists of capturing views of a 3D object from different viewpoints. We analyze these views via transformer networks or 2D convolutional neural networks. We implement our IcoConv operator. This is designed to pull information from adjacent views. We apply our technique to a cohort of high-risk ASD subjects. We perform several five-fold cross-validation experiments, and we automatically generate explainability maps. We generate ROC curves and classification metrics. The materials used in this study consist of infants with varying familial risk for ASD. They were studied across 4 clinical sites. High-risk infants had an older sibling with ASD, while low-risk ones had no immediate family with related disorders. Several assessments were conducted at 6, 12, and 24 months, using MRI scans and behavioral tests. By 24 months, diagnoses were made by an expert. In this study, 768 high-risk negative infants were compared to 202 high-risk positive. Our analysis combined image features and demographic information like gender, MRI visit age, and specific brain volume measurements. We use brain features such as cortical thickness, surface area, and extraction cerebral spinal measurements. This is the general architecture of BrainIcoConv. We start by capturing views of the object from different viewpoints. We have separate networks for the left and right hemisphere. We extract the features and pull the information using our IcoConv operator. Finally, we concatenate all the demographic information and the image features from the 2 hemispheres. A final linear layer is in charge of the classification. These are the different IcoConv operators. Our IcoConv 2D consists of arranging the features in a 2D grid and then applying a 2D convolutional. We also experiment with 1D convolution and simply a linear layer. These are the results of our approach. We perform experiments using spherical unit and different IcoConv operators and SpecFormer. The best performing method is our IcoConv 2D. It has the highest accuracy and the highest recall for the ASD class, and we are encouraged by these results, as this was a very challenging dataset. This is the explainability map generated by our approach. As you can see, different brain regions are highlighted and are important for the classification task. We have labeled the regions that are important for the classification task. We are very encouraged by our results. These regions have been corroborated by other studies. In conclusion, we develop an explainable AI framework for 3D shape analysis. This tool will provide researchers and clinicians the ability to understand the deep learning model and what regions are important for the decision. We conducted an experiment that provides qualitative analysis of the feature used by the neural network to reach the decision. We hope that this tool may lead to further improvements in patient care, outcomes, and experience. Our code is available in our repository ShapeMI MICCAI.